Hi everybody, I'm Ron. Judy's behind the camera and we're Full-Time Dream. And today we're going to go to a bike shop, check out some electric bikes. Come on along with us. Okay, today we're here at Fredonia Cycle with Lucas, who is the owner. And he's going to go over something that we've been looking at. And this is our first in the series of our search for an electric bike.
So this is a Biria folding S2 e-bike. It's 20 by 4-inch tires. It's 36 volt and a 500 watt motor. It's a rear hub motor. And to fold it, put your pedals in, swing the safety over. This is a safety right here. Comes apart. Push it together and you see this piece right here, you can rest it right there. And there you go. You can take a bungee or a nylon strap and you can put a towel or something in between here and you can put this together like so and it'll fit in your RV or back of your truck really easy.
Probably fit two of them in the back of CRV.
Right.
Okay, and then unfolding it's really easy, just the other way.
The battery that's in there, it has a key to unlock it so that the battery will come out.
Yes, let me show you. Here's the battery. Unlock it. Pull it right out.
Okay, so you can take that and charge it just like that inside the motorhome.
Yep, inside the motorhome.
And then you can also charge it without taking it out. I see that there's a port on the side.
So you can charge it with the battery in the bike, you can take it out, you can charge it, and also you can charge your phone while you ride.
Okay.
Do you know what the standards are for being able to ride them on like New York State trails or anything like that?
For New York State on the bike trail, you can ride it wherever a bike is. You can ride wherever a bike is, allowed to. And then they recommend riding it in the road and following, traffic patterns, stop signs, stop lights, and all that. So follow the rules of the road while you're on the road. And then try to avoid sidewalks if you can because of pedestrians, but bike trails, all for it, especially campgrounds or anything. You can take it into town because sometimes campgrounds are a little bit ways away from town.
Because I know they were changing laws in different places about where electric bikes and how much watt they had and stuff.
It's really, they state or classify them by the speed that they go. So this one is rated to go 20 miles an hour, correct?
Correct. Yes.
And
I believe it's a class 2, which is the throttle and the pedal assist. Shimano shifter to 7-speed, so you have 5 levels. 0 is absolutely no electricity, even if you hit the throttle, nothing's gonna happen. And you got 1 up to 5 with levels of pedal assist. Here's your odometer and here's your battery level.
How far you can go on a battery?
Depends how much you use it, anywhere between 20 and 40 miles per hour. If you're really cranking down on it.
yeah, and not going to get as many miles out of it when there's somebody like me riding on it. So
Yeah, that's what the weight on this is what, 265 for the
maximum weight 260.
I think so. You have the throttle right here, so. Disc brakes, front and back.
So for somebody who's looking to buy an electric bike, what are the key features we should be looking at? This is we've kind of done our research, but
You're definitely looking at voltage and wattage. You don't want anything less than 500 watt. And then you have the 2 different styles of motor. You got the hub-driven motor, which this is, and then you got the mid-mount motor, which is in your bottom bracket. The mid motor is a little bit more expensive. They're typically around $3 grand, $4 grand for those ones. These hub ones are inexpensive. I'm not gonna say cheap because you got good parts on here and everything. So, and then 36 volt, typically 36 volt is your standard for that. And then of course you want to look at your components, Shimano and disc brakes. You want to be able to stop, especially going 20 miles per hour down the road.
Now, what are the benefits that somebody would have buying a bike from you in a bike shop as compared to them buying them online?
Here's the thing about buying them online. They always come disassembled in the box. You gotta take them apart and you gotta assemble them. Some people who have less experience putting together bicycles sometimes put them together wrong. If something's wrong and it's out of spec just by a few millimeters, you can really hurt the bicycle. by riding it. Especially with an electric bike, everything amps up. You know, you're riding it fast, you're riding it with high power, you know, you're going faster and all that. So if something's out of spec just a little bit, you're gonna do more damage to your bike if it's not ready to go off the bat. So definitely buy an electric bike from a bike shop for sure.
What about warranting and stuff like that?
Warranty, so Biria has a battery warranty of about 2 years, I believe. I gotta still contact them and talk to them about that, but I know for a fact Biria has a warranty.
If somebody was to buy a bike from you here in Fredonia and needed any type of repairs, you'd be able to do any of the repairs on that?
Absolutely, anything electrical, anything with the battery, I'll send it back. Anything mechanical, like the cables, the brakes, the drivetrain, any of the nuts or bolts are loose, I can definitely take care of them. And we are a certified Biria dealer, and then we service them too.
Plug your shop a little bit and
Yeah.
tell us how you got started and stuff? Or?
Yeah, so we're located at 8 Park Place in Fredonia, New York. It's about an hour outside Buffalo. Our hours are Tuesday through Friday, 11 to 6, Saturday, 10 to 4. And you know, I've worked out of my backyard in my barn for about 2 years here in Fredonia. I'm a college student, just graduated. And I thought, you know, this place needs a bike shop. As a marketing major, I noticed a gap in the market, so I needed a bike shop here, and I'm happy to help the community any way I can. You know.
Also heard that you're building a bus.
Yes, a schoolie. I'm sure your followers know what a schoolie is. They're, I have a 2011 Bluebird Vision. It has about 130,000 miles on it, and I did a roof raise on it. 16-inch roof raise with hat channels, just welded across, 4x8 sheet metal on the side. I'm sure a lot of your viewers know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you know
Your
some.
Instagram for that is?
Freddie the Bus. So it's FREDDIE, the Bus.
Have you thought about starting a YouTube channel to?
Not so much, to be honest. You know, I have Instagram, that's my social media with that, but I do actually have a couple of videos that I took, like the roof raise, I took video of that, and I vapor blasted the paint off, so I had an eco blaster, you know, it's crushed glass and pressurized in water, so I did that, get all the rust off the bottom of it and all the paint, so. But as far as making a YouTube channel, haven't really thought about it, it's a lot of work, as you guys know.
Now, what is the MSRP for the bikes right now?
They're $16.99, so just under $1,700, and then after tax it gets right around to $1,830 for these Birias. And then anyone in the country in the United States, I can ship them to you. Just pay over the phone, and I'll do that. I come to my shop first, and I'll ship it out of my shop.
Sounds great. Okay, well there you have it. We have I can't pronounce the name right,
Biria, yep.
Biria S2, and we had Lucas go over the bike with us. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, leave some comments down below. If you have any comments or questions, we can send you in Lucas's direction. And thank you very much for coming along and share this out.
Thank you.